Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tang, and today I'll guide you through a powerful tool that helps you automatically comment on any Facebook posts you want. First, we need to add the content we want to comment with into the software. Go to Content Management, then add a category, and name it. Here I'll call it Comment Post. Next, I'll add the comment content. I'll copy my prepared text and paste it into the software. For content type, select Comment. You can add unlimited content to the software, there's no limit. Once we have the content ready, let's move to the commenting part. Click on Comment feature, set up the comment configuration, then choose the content you just added to the software. After that, choose to comment by post ID, go to Facebook, copy the link of the post you want to comment on, then open Google and search for Get ID. Paste your copied post link into the tool, click Convert, and it will generate the post ID for you. Copy that post ID and paste it into the software. Here, you can choose whether to allow duplicate comments between accounts or not, and you can decide if the comments should be randomized or posted sequentially from your prepared list. Once everything is set up, select your accounts and click Start. The software will automatically comment on the posts you've entered. You can add one post ID or even multiple IDs. The software will automatically comment on each post one by one. Finally, you can check the results directly on Facebook. Just open the post you copied earlier and see the comments made by the software. If you're interested in having a tool like this, feel free to contact me. My contact information is in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me.